Zion Creationist church leader Barnabas Chiroile Kanyane finally opens up about what happened 3 days ago while he and, of course, ZCC leader Bishop Barnabas Lekanyane were in court, you guys. Now, this comes after a lot of speculations as to what could have possibly transpired. And Achiro says, let's get this straight to those who don't understand what happened in court. The previous court order that was obtained by Maria in my absence without being properly served was set aside, and what they called agent application for my arrest was dismissed, and they were told that this is not urgent. Remember, after Maria released that I am taking them ahead on opposing their court order, they were furious and made a counter application of arrest, and they failed. Ke nna Kgomo Sithula Lebeng e ba ragile kgomo a kere wa bona, they are quiet e kae old media briefing. I am today recognized by the High Court as a leader, and the Zion Creationist Church also recognized anyway. Thanks to them, they thought they were going to destroy me. Khani, they are lifting me high in the absence of the best. They thought they were the best. Safika kwachu lumoya. Zion Creationist Church, be proud. Modimo wa lena ke modimo wa nnete, mmupi wa magodimo le mafase. A ke re le bone gore after court we were happy. Bona ba ngangegile strong, and ke lemogile gore his grace is not part of all of this. Mara baruti ba pelo tše mpe. So Masione, let's all unite and love one another. Our constitution was designed to support unity, and Chego Lekanyane says that he realized that the Zion Christian Church leader Bishop Lekanyane was not a part of this whole thing, that he has no issue with him, but he says that evil pastors of the Zion Christian Church are the one who were behind everything, you guys. And it seems like he has found, respect for Bishop Lekanyane in the way that he addressed him, and he actually called him His Grace as a sign of course, respect. And he went on to say, "Nna ke makala gore after all these years, the history between my grandfather on my mother's side and Bishop Edward, then His Grace turned to treat us like that was a surprise. I don't wanna lie. But finally, I have seen who was really behind this whole thing all along, you guys." I stated that he did not believe. He was actually very surprised as to why Bishop Lekanyane was, His Grace rather, was, against him all along. And he says that he has finally realized that no, he wasn't against him at all, but he has seen the people who were behind this whole feud at all. And then someone said, "I thank you. I'm also happy that Bishop is not a part of this." But then again, the question is, how can he allow them to do that? Somebody said, "Mdala, I respect you so much. Whatever you posted now, it made me respect you even more than before." Ke o rata nnete. That's something that many people ba senang yona. O tlo gola wa bona bogolo ba Modimo. Well, there you have it, you guys. Chego Lekanyane stated that, Bishop Lekanyane was not behind anything at all, and it seems like he has found respect for him, and he pleads for peace between his church and, of course, the main branch of the Zion Christian Church. What do you guys think? Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like, and of course, do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.